Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and on tonight's video I have a piece of what I believe is alder. This was given to me a while back by a friend of mine. His tree fell down and he gave me a few slabs of it, and it's been sat in the workshop for quite a while, as I've just said, and I was moving some things around and I noticed it was starting to crack. So I checked the moisture and it was still around 25% moisture. But I thought, you know what, let's throw it on there, see what we can get out of it, see how bad the cracks are, and worst case scenario, we've turned some practice pieces. So as you can see, it's a little bit out of shape there. So I'm just using the full size finisher just to get it to round. As you can see, some of the bark were flapping around, so I did have to stop quite a few times on this just to pull it off so it wasn't slapping around and slapping me. I'm almost at the point now where I've started to expose, yes, here we go, expose those cracks, and there's quite a few in there and they are actually quite deep. Just facing it off now a little bit on both sides. I'll carry on to giving it to a round. I don't at this point know how far those cracks travel down. I know, as you can see, where the gradient goes up a little bit, I can see that one of the cracks definitely is past that point, but I don't know how far. So now I'm just applying a little bit of CA glue just to make sure it's holding in place, and I do that all the way around on all 4 of the cracks. Let's just remove the excess, and now what I'm doing is I'm going to slowly work down on this, try and find out where the cracks end. So just a few small light cuts really, and there we have it. So originally this was where I was going to end the vase. Plans change a little bit. So now I am using the mid-size finisher and just working away that shape a little bit. Now, because of where the cracks are, this is now where I'm going to finish the vase. So now I'm just using the number 1 hollower, get rid of that little nubbin, and come in with the Forstner bit. You can see I'm only going in slowly here, and you can see the steam, and just on the end of the vase where the water's starting to evaporate. Like I say, I'm not putting any pressure on, just slowly turning it in. Now I've gone all the way in with the Forstner bit, and just coming back now with the number 1 hollower. Hear the vibration, so I'm only making really small, shallow cuts. So now I've finished with the hollowing, and I've got to the depth that I'm after, which is around an inch from the bottom. And you can see the cracks there. So I start to sand up in a short while. I'm just doing some truing up at the moment. So what I've got there on the tailstock is I've got some routers mat, the white one, and the live centre is in, and because of the little bit sticking out, I didn't want to get a catch, so I just used painter's tape just to tape that up to lock everything down. So there's my parting tool from Easy Woods Tools, just working away a little bit, and now on with the Klingspor. This is 80 grit, and all I'm doing at the moment is just trying to get rid of anything that's left behind and really expose those cracks, and also to get some fine shavings as well, so then I can pop them in and try and mask it up a little bit. I don't want to get rid of them completely because I want it to be a little bit of a feature, but I didn't want to just use brown or black CA in there either. So there's one, and I did the whole lot of them. And once that's all done, I've sanded this up now to 600 grit, and now I'm applying the Hampshire Sheen's burnishing oil. Because it's wet, I'm giving it a good, wettish now. I think at the moment now, I think it's around 20% because obviously the sanding, the heat, etc. But yeah, I'm giving it a quite liberal coat and leave it to soak in for 10-20 minutes or so. I think I walked away and had a cup of tea, came back before removing what bit of excess there was. I did give it another couple of coats. And there we go, wiping it off. And lathe speed at a comfortable speed, and just starting to work that burnishing oil in there. Well, there we go. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment after this is finished, and I'll see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.